Right, this is our lesson 14 of trigonometry, and this is we are dealing with T formula. So they're saying use T formula to solve the following. Now we must know, when do we use T formula? We use T formula if you have different trig functions, like say for example, this is cos and sine. We have different trig functions, cos and sine, and they're having the same angle coefficients. They all have theta and theta. Cos, sine, different, but theta, theta. Same angles, but different trig functions. Then you opt in for T formula. So, shall I say solution, 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 solution. Now here we shall need the T formula for cos. The T formula for cos. Okay, maybe I'll put here recall. We need a recall here that, okay. The cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus t over 1 plus t squared, comma, sine theta is equal to 2t over 1 plus t squared. Those are the T formula we shall be applying. The one of tan is not so common. So, solution now, we shall be using, now we have 2. It will be now 2 into, now I want to put the one for cos theta. Now, once I have cos theta, it is all the same like this. It will be 1 minus t over 1 plus t squared, okay, plus 3. The one of sine is also 2t over 1 plus t squared. But that happens only if, comma, only if t is equal to what now? Since this one was theta, so t will be tan theta over 2. That's how we use the formula. Here we have theta, so I use that. Therefore, let us, oh, sorry. It is true, yes, but we need to say equals to 2. Whereby this one is, we are using that on condition that t is equal to tan theta over 2. Why? We divide this by 2. That is our t. Now next, I want to multiply through by this. Multiply through by this. Is that when multiply is here to cancel, so it shall remain with the 2 into 1 minus t squared. I'm multiplying go through by this. It will give us plus 3 into 2t and is equal to 2 into 1 plus the t squared. That's what you're having. So we shall now have 2 minus 2t squared plus 6t is equal to 2 plus 2t squared. Collecting like terms, let all of them come this side. Now this join is this to give us a 4t squared minus a 6t. Now this 2 is coming the other side, so it will be a 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Please, I don't know if they can see this. I've collected this one came this side and it became a positive to give us a 4. This 6 also crossed to become a negative 6. This 2 came this side to be a 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So that will now be a 4t squared minus 6t is equal to 0. That's where we are. T minus t, next is a 0. You're going to factorize. That will be, all right, t into 4t minus 6 is equal to 0. We have factorized it. Now the first point I will say, either t is equal to 0. That's the first point. Then the second point is or 4t minus 6 equals to 0. Shall be getting the answers for that level. Now, but the t is equal to 0, but what is our t? Our t is t tan theta over 2. So tan theta over 2 is equal to 0. Now what you're going to do, you get the inverse. So theta over 2 is equal to tan inverse of 0. And now I find that your theta over 2 will just be 0 degrees. When you multiply, this will be now theta is equal to 0 times 2. Okay, I will not go into the quadrants because it was 0. So theta is equal to just 0 degrees. Let's now come to this. That will now be 4t is equal to 6. Therefore, t is equal to 6 over 4. But the t is tan theta over 2, which is 6 over 4. So theta over 2 is equal to a tan inverse of 6 over 4. Let's get that answer. So theta over 2 will be equal to Let's get that principal angle or the primary angle. So you're going to have 6 divided by 4, tan inverse of the answer, 56.3. 56.3 degrees. Now let's also obey. Oh, they didn't give us the range here. How comes they didn't give us the range? For this, it is from 0 to 360. The range is from 0 to 360. 0 to 360. So we're using, it means that we're using all the quadrants. Why do we have tan as a positive? I'll draw here. Why do we have tan as a positive? All student here and there. But here we have theta. So we shall say theta over 2 is equal to, the theta itself is 56.3 degrees, comma. Now in this quadrant, you add plus 180. So 56 plus 180, which answer are you going to have? 236.3. 236.3 degrees, as simple as that. However, you must multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. These 2 must go and multiply there. Since you are correcting to be times 2, so theta is equal to 2 times that. Okay, it will be 56.3 times 2, comma, 236.3 times 2. But this one will go in 400, but okay. Theta is equal to a 56.3 times 2. A 56.3 times 2 is 112.6. 112.6. Now, this times 2 will give us a 400, which I will discuss, which I will discard because our range ends here. You don't write it, so this one will be a 236.3 times 2. 472.6. Now this one goes beyond the range. 472.6. It goes beyond the range. Don't write it. So your answer will be the 0, the 112 degrees. Okay, finally we on this. Cos 4 theta plus sin 4 theta equals to 1. Please, still T formula. Solution, I'll go direct. Now cos 4 theta. T formula, of course, just remains this. What differs is what you rate as your T. So you shall still write 1 minus T squared over 1 plus T squared. Oh, sorry. Is this like this? Yep. Okay, plus. All right, this one will be a 2T over 1 plus a T squared. That will give us a 1. Comma, now here, let T equal to tan what? Since here it was tan, if it is cos 4, here I shall say tan 2 theta. Please, should be that. Now, multiply all through by this. It cancels, then to the side. So this will be 1 minus T squared plus 2T is equal to 1 into 1 plus a T squared. Please, I've applied all through by this. Times that, it cancels. Times that, it cancels. Then equals to that. So we're going to have finally a 1 minus a t bar squared plus a 2t is equal to 1 plus t squared. Collect like terms. I want this guy to go the other side. Then I'll have a 2t squared. Please, as close to the cosine, it will be 2t squared. Okay, minus, this one will be a minus 2t. Now a 1 goes the other side to cancel. I don't know why it's yielding this all the time. So a 1, so plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0. So we shall now have 2t squared minus 2t equals to 0. So now what will this one give us? What will this one give us? Factorize. So t into 2t minus 2 is equal to 0. So either t is equal to 0. Either t is equal to 0, or allow me to do it from this side. 2t minus 2 equals to 0. I want to handle each at different time, but our t was tan 2 theta, which is equal to 0. So therefore 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 0. And here 2 theta will just give us 0. Now 0 on a paraplane can't go. 0 on a paraplane can't go. Rather, 0 on the... It doesn't have a sign, so I'll not waste time to look for it in the quadrants. However, I told you that whenever you have 2 theta, you must always accumulate. How we accumulate, please, I would request you to go and watch lesson 2 of these videos to learn how we go about the accumulating. Here, I will go direct. Go in lesson 2, you will see how we accumulate. The beginning of this topic, we did all that. So in the accumulating, we shall be adding 360. The accumulating shall be adding 360. So have 0, 360, 720. That's what we have. Then after that, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So your theta will now be, I've accumulated, that's why things have come like that. 0, and how to accumulate, go and watch video, the lesson 2, in our playlist. It is there. So this one is 180, divide by 2 to be a 360. That's about the accumulation. So back to this side. We have now 2t is equal to 2. So t is equal to 1. So therefore tan 2 theta is equal to 1. And now 2 theta is equal to a tan inverse of 1. Now 2 theta will give us a 45. Now if it is giving us 45, let's go and see tan is positive in which quadrant? Tan is positive in the first quadrant and the third. So first quadrant will give us that, then the other will be 180 plus that answer, plus a 45. Please, if you followed us from all the lessons, from lesson 1, you should be understanding how this is coming about. But have here 2 theta, you must as well come and accumulate. So to accumulate, I will say 2 theta, then first accumulate 4, 5. Now, to accumulate where you're going to end, since our range is 360, you apply the 360 times 2. And you might find that our maximum value should end at is 720. That's why here I end at 720. You multiply that range with the highest value times 2, then it gives you where to end. Or you can go and watch the lesson 2. Now 45 plus 360, it will be 405. So we have 45, 305. Now 305, oh no, it is 4. It is 405. 405 plus 360. It exceeds, it is 765. So I will not write it. I'll now go to 225. Accumulate 225 plus 360, 360, 585. Of course, when you add it, will exceed. Now what you do, come and divide by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So it will be a value of theta. Your value of theta will be 22.5, 1 decimal place, 405 divided by 2, 202.5, 225 divided by 2, 111.5, 112.5, 585 divided by 2, 292, be 292.5 degrees. Now your final answer will be, start from this. The smallest is 0, I can come to 22.5, I can come to 112.5, I can come to a 180. I'm arranging, combine these ones and the other ones. That, okay. Then we can have a 202.5, the next we can have a 292.5, lastly a 360, and that's how we answer that question. How to accumulate? Go and watch our video number 2. Right, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. All right.